a video of this.
Explore a bit.
Yeah. Nala's just up there. Just thinking. What are you thinking, Nala? What's on your mind? You.
That new time yet?
Done.
Tired. I have told you that is impossible. Frank hasn't done an interview in 20 years.
Well, that is interesting because I just got off the phone with him and he was in.
Excuse me?
You didn't even call him, did you?
But
I know. That can be a little scary to deal with. It is. I will give you 2 months to find another job and then you can tell him who you assign. What's his 20?
he's naked. He has crazy eyes.
Don't do it, Bob. Don't do it.
Yeah. Yeah. There's one behind.
One's just gone under.
Yeah, one's gone under and one's coming over towards the coaster. No, the coaster isn't the footstool is. This one here likes my feet. Likes my feet, so he's attracted to socks. He likes my feet. As you can see, yeah, he's attracted to my socks there. Yeah, so that is glued. Attracted. Yes, you are. You're attracted to my feet. Socks. Very climbable. I like to climb up. Let's climb up, don't you? I try and move in my feet or it. It won't leave. It won't let go. It will not let go. It's the tribute to the gladiators. 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 Yes, you've done it. Up the travelator. 1990s gladiator style. Up the travelator to victory, and then swing down to victory. Bruno, you're this one here. Some of the little play fight
So, if you've just
Tiger
got stuck
stripe,
with a few
the
pounds to
tiger-like
lose, there's
one.
no point going to the NHS.
Yeah,
Where you need a
yeah.
referral to an
Tyson
appointment
is
clinic to
there.
get the jab. You've got to go down
Tyson's
another
there.
route.
Ding ding, both of them
I'm
are.
going to try and find some
Ding
of these
ding.
registrants myself online. So, quick search.
Both of them are having a little
I found
play fight
some
there.
online pharmacies.
A boxing there.
As a pharmacist,
Little boxing
I have
match
seen,
going on
an
between the
increase
two.
in the use of these slimming jabs.
As
Especially
formerly
over the last
we
3
would
months.
probably know, they're named after
A
the
dramatic increase in
boxers
private prescriptions coming
or
through.
sport heavyweight championships or
of the population
sport.
who really want to take it.
Yeah, boxers.
Fit and well.
My senses.
The little kittens are at it. They're all climbing, climbing up, and all over the place, and all over the place.
But it's
You can see one there,
Good.
sort of playing.
What are you doing?
I'm ready for a long-term
Oh, this one.
relationship, and I do think I'm ready. I do
You got
think
up
it
there?
will
This one over here.
Family values is probably right at
That
the top.
one is. There's another one over
Because
here.
someone doesn't like the family, someone doesn't like my cats, especially my cats.
You must be under the sofa or something.
Rise in tones.
So,
The next couple I want to discuss is Ella and Nathaniel, who I think are a really interesting match.
I got this cat book in W.H. Smith. Really handy. Really, really handy and useful. And, or just, just a good read. If you're a cat person. You had a cat. It's quite a small book, so yeah, it's not bad. Giving you music in the background. They have 9 lives, so yeah, it's quite resourceful, quite info and factual, really nice factual book here. So yeah, yes they do, they have 9 lives, yeah. Their bellies are like soft dough. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so they purr. So yes they do. So yeah. Yes they do, they purr. All cats purr. Well, apart from Nala, who doesn't seem to purr much because she's not much of a purrer. She just meows, mostly just meows most of the time. But yeah, she's not much of a purrer. Yeah, she doesn't purr as much. The kittens do. Kindle purrs do. So yeah, this is an interesting one here. Really interesting one here. You know what I mean? Have a look at it if you like. You may pause it if you want to. Or take a screenshot if you like to. I haven't thought of, yes. I haven't thought of that before. The kitten group of kittens, wild group of kittens, yeah. Group of kittens is called a Kindle.
And it's perfect for me because I just love America so much.
Good name.
Hey Sue, you ever feel bad that I never, made you super daddy pancakes?
No.
Here we are again, back at home to check on them. One's looking at me, one's asleep. This one as well is asleep. that one is awake. Well, just awake, but thinking about going back to sleep. So yeah, that's what they're up to. Fully growing up. Nala is over there, sleeping. Oh yeah, that's what they're up to at the moment.
So, what'd you get the birthday boy?
Well, Raj got him an awesome limited edition Dark Knight sculpture based on Alex Ross's.
Okay, so anyways, this is a good shot from here, a video point from here. As you can see, where the little kittens like to come over and like to crawl over my legs. They like to crawl over my legs, up the sofa, and you know, kitten stuff they do. Just basically little kitten stuff they do, really. So, trying to get a good shot from here, or a, you know, good video. This little video clip, a little editing or whatever. So yeah. Okay, so there's, I think one is climbing up my leg. I think one of them is climbing up my leg right now. Trying to, well, sort of, as you can see. Yes, you can. Well, you can't see him yet, but one is down there. He's right down here. This one here. Yeah. That one here. So yeah. Let me point my iPad a little bit closer so that you can see him. Because it's on stand mode. There we go. As you can clearly see him. He is nibbling my feet. Nibbling my socks, I think. You can clearly see him. There we go. Let me tilt my iPad a little bit. See what he's doing. Yep, there we go. Ooh, yeah, that's a good shot. That's a bit of a cutie shot, money shot there. So yeah, he's playing at the moment. He's bored. No, it's had enough. There we go. So, close up there. No, is he going to show his bottom? No. Nope, he's looking at the camera and he's looking at the iPad camera. This is their little playground now. It's their little playground now around the living room. Up and down the sofa. Down the sofa. Running up and down the sofa. The Lion King. These two want to recreate the scene from The Lion King. Long live the king.
I'm gonna go talk to Melanie's parents. Let them know how this all shook out. Wanna come?
The woman